Hey friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Jinu in his demon form from K-pop Demon Hunters. So first we're going to get started towards the middle of our page on the top, and we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right for the center of the hat. We're going to go on both sides now, stepping up and drawing a diagonal line that comes in towards the top of our page, and we're just going to end that at the same height. Now let's connect this together. So we're going to draw in a slight curved line, bringing this all the way around and then down on the right. And then now let's close off the rest of the hat. So we're going to step up slightly, and on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line around and then down towards the left. And then we're going to step back over on the right, curving this around and down. Now from here, let's close this off in the center. So we're going to start on the left, curving this line across, flattening that out as we come in towards the middle. And then we're going to continue to start back on this line, and we're just going to bring this line all the way over and across towards the right, connecting that together. Let's draw in the face now. So as we come down, we're going to draw in the hair. So we're going to start on the right, and we're going to curve this line that comes out from that point, bringing that back up. And then again, starting in the middle, curving this out, and then again back up towards the top. Let's frame in the face now. So on the right hand side, we're going to bring this line down. And then on the left, we're just going to curve this line out for the hair. Now from here for the cheek, again, we're going to bring this line down and in on a diagonal. Let's start back on this line on the left hand side now. So we're going to flatten this out, bringing this over on a diagonal, and then flattening that out on the bottom for the chin. And then we're going to do the same thing on the right, starting back on this line, and then flattening that out as we come in towards the bottom. Let's start with the nose. So we're going to step down here, and we're going to curve this line over and out. And then for the nostril, we're just going to curve this line at the bottom, bringing this up and then down. We're going to flip over on the right, curving this across, rounding that out, bringing that back up for the rest of the nose. Now from here, dropping down for the mouth, we're going to draw in 2 small brackets on both sides. And then we're going to close this off with a curved line right in the center. Let's drop down for the detail underneath the mouth now. We're just going to curve that over. Now let's draw in our right eyebrow. So we're going to draw in a frown line, curving that up. Let's draw a diagonal line that comes in towards the hair. And then we'll do the same thing on the bottom, bringing that across. Let's flip over now on the left. On the top, we're going to curve this line out towards the hat and then back down in the corner. And then again from that point, we're just going to bring this line up and then down on a diagonal, connecting that in towards the line on the nose. Now let's draw in our eyes. So starting over on the right hand side, we're going to curve this line across towards the side. We'll do the same thing on the left. And then from that point on the side, we're going to curve this line back around and then in. Towards the center. Now we're going to thicken up that line on the outside. So starting back on this line, we're going to just thicken up the corner on the top, bringing that out and then back down. Now let's come in and draw in the pupil. So right on the inside here, we're going to draw in a half circle. And then we're just going to color that in black. Now from here, we're going to add in some details. So we're going to start with the markings on the face. So we're going to draw a diagonal line that comes out and then back up. Let's start on the left-hand side now. We're going to curve this line in and then back out on the side. Dropping down, curving this across, bringing that back over. Again, moving down, we're going to curve this line up towards the middle and then bringing that down on a diagonal. Let's draw in another diagonal line coming up, and then we're going to bring this line down and over towards the chin. Let's move directly over to the chin now. So we're going to curve this line up from this point, curving this line directly over. Now from this point, we're going to bring this line back down, and then we're going to bring this across on a diagonal. Let's move over on the right, bringing this diagonal line up. We'll start on this point again, bringing this over towards the nose. Let's draw this, bringing this back out towards the side, and then we'll bring this back down on the bottom. To the right of that, we're going to just draw in a small triangle, closing that off. Now let's move across towards the top. We're going to draw a diagonal line coming out from the corner, curving that out. Now from this point, curving this back down and in, and then bringing this over and across towards the cheek. Let's step up again one more time, bringing this over and back out. And then we're going to again curve this through and over towards the cheek. Now, before we draw on the ears, we're going to draw on the strings coming down. So we're going to, on the left-hand side, draw on a straight line that comes down. We're going to do the same on the right, and we're just going to end that at the same height. Now, closing that off, we're just going to draw in a small circle. Now let's move underneath, and we're going to draw in another straight line that comes directly down. And then again, another circle. Let's make this line longer. And then again, another circle. Again, moving down, making that line longer. And then again, one more time, just drawing in another straight line that comes down. And then again, one last circle, just making this one slightly bigger. Now let's draw on the ears behind this. So starting on the top, we're going to curve this around and in towards the circle on the left. And then we'll do the same on the right, curving this around and in, and then we're just going to continue this underneath towards the cheek. Let's close off the hair on the top, curving this up towards the hat. Let's add in some of the details in the ear now. So we're going to start on the right-hand side, curving this over. And then as we come down, we're just going to curve this around and through. Now let's draw in the neck. So on both sides, we're going to draw in a straight line that comes down towards the bottom. And then from here on the left, we're going to curve this line in. And then we'll do the same on the right, curving that down towards the middle. Let's draw on the rest of the shoulders now. So on both sides, we're just going to draw a diagonal line that comes out. And then we're going to, again, from that point, draw in another diagonal line that comes further out towards the side of our page, closing off the shoulders. And now from here, we're just going to curve this across. So on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this in towards our circle. We're going to continue to bring that through in the center, bringing this all the way over and up on the right. And then we'll do the same thing again as we bring this up towards the corner. Now from here, we're going to continue on this line to extend this through. And then moving up, we're going to draw that one more time, curving this all the way around and through towards the bottom. On the left-hand side, we're going to curve this down and in, closing that off. And then now let's just draw in the markings on the neck. So we're going to start in the center here, closer over towards the right, just drawing in a straight line that comes down. And then we're going to bring this line over and up. Let's start further on the right, bringing this diagonal line out, across, back through on a diagonal, bringing that over towards the middle, and then out on a diagonal again. Now from here, from that point, we're going to bring this up and over. On the right, we're going to bring this across and through towards the side. Now on the left, we're going to curve this line out. We're going to bring this diagonal line over. Let's bring this up and then bring this out and back in towards the chin. Moving further across on the left now, let's draw our diagonal line coming out. Let's bring this across and then back down. From that point, bringing this over, curving that slightly. And then we're going to start from that corner, curving this over and across again. Let's start on the left, bringing this up, bring this down, and then back in towards the bottom. And that is it. That's how you draw Jinu in his demon form. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.